Hi there! Now that you have taken the first step into AI imaging with DoMyShoot, here are some do's and don'ts we would like to share with you to make sure you get the best images with DoMyShoot. While clicking, make sure that the product is completely in frame. In case of a big product, it is advisable to shoot from a distance to avoid cropping. It is very important to shoot in bright light so that the picture is clear. You can try shooting in indirect natural light for best result. The AI system reads everything in focus as one product. Keep the product as isolated as possible for our AI engines to give you best of the results. Before confirming the image, it is very important to check if the image is blurry. We advise you to reshoot if the image looks hazy like the one above. For better results, tap on the product on screen while adjusting the camera to bring it in focus. Choose a background that is compatible with your product. Lastly, it is advisable to always review your images before you confirm the order to ensure that you get pro-quality images from DoMyShoot every time.